Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. I am barista Ali. You watching Ali vlogs and cafe. Today I will show you how to make ice caramel macchiato. So let's start this video. So guys, we need this syrup caramel. I have this company Caramelo, this company name Fabry, and fresh milk, 1 glass, and espresso double shot. So first of all, I need to put syrup caramel, only 30 ml, 30 milli. Yeah, 30 ml. Then ice like this, 8 piece, 9 piece, like that only. Then milk 170 180. This is my glass size, 14 oz, 14 ounce. So let's see how much ml need this glass. Maybe 170 enough. Yeah, 170. Only 170 milk. If you have glass 14 oz. Now take espresso beans. Espresso beans only 17 grams. I need double shot. So now add espresso double shots. Now ready. This is iced caramel macchiato. So hope guys you like this video, and if you like this video, so please like and comment and share, and if you're new here, so please subscribe my channel. So see you next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Assalam.